Start by attaching the 3 rod parts together by screwing them together like this. The second step is to attach the rod in the middle hole. Not in the steam hose hole, but the middle hole on the very top of the Cumulus number 3 steamer. The third step is to attach the steam hose. The steam hose goes onto the hole that is sticking up a little bit. Make sure that you attach the steam hose down to the very bottom. The third step is to attach the hanger and the hook. Fold out the hanger. Attach it onto the top of the rod. And then you put the hook on top of the hanger. Put the steam head on the top of the hook when you have made sure that it's screwed on tightly to the handle. Make sure that the screw on the back of the hanger is screwed tightly. Otherwise, the hanger will spin around the rod. Now your Cumulus home steamer is attached properly.